To replace the batteries of the panel, first pop off the cover. And you'll see 4 latches on the top and bottom. Using a screwdriver or thin implement, push the latches inwards. If done correctly, the top part can be separated. Next, you will see 2 CR2032 batteries with latches holding them in. Using the same implement, push the latches outwards so that the batteries can separate by themselves. Like so. Push this latch as well, like so. Now you can replace with the new batteries. Just push it in. Now, taking note of the indented port and the battery port, make sure they align before pushing it back in firmly. You'll see that the panel should be able to be controlled again. Next, by making sure that the indent of the cover here is facing downwards, pop it back into place like this.